Let's start. Today we will see how to accept a resolution input from the user in the Tradingview pinescript. Resolution means the time frame. This is the indicator function with name, input resolution. Then we have called the input.timeframe function. The default value is the daily time frame. The title is select resolution. And the options are daily, weekly and monthly timeframes. These options will be shown in a drop-down list. Finally, we have plotted the close. You can see default timeframe is daily. And the user can choose different timeframes from this drop-down list. Now, how to use this resolution for a practical purpose, that we will see in a different tutorial. So that's it. That's how you can accept a resolution input from the user, in the Tradingview pinescript. Thanks for watching.